Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning and Shane, we just dropped off the boys and the girls. We're on our way now to, Shane's just driving me to work. Say good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
It's not that pretty outside today. The weather is playing up again. Shane, what are we gonna have for dinner?
I'm gonna make us curry.
We're gonna have chicken curry and rice. Oh, I hope you guys can hear me because I forgot the speaker, the microphone. The previous video that we uploaded, that is basically how we make nachos. It's super easy, it's so cheap. The kids love it, we love it, and I hope you guys get to try it. It is just after 5 now, and Shane and Leo just picked me up from work. And it's been like that the whole day. Fun times. Oh my gosh, it's been a long day. I was talking the whole time and didn't even press record. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to that chicken. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to that chicken curry. And Leo keeps interrupting me. Alright, so we'll end it here. Looky here, guys. We got some bread, white loaf bread from the bakery in front of our house. We're gonna have breakfast, and we spent the money that was left over. Remember, guys, there was money left over, and I did say that we were gonna buy some fresh bread. So just trying to justify this purchase. Anyway, so this is what we're having for breakfast. It's going to be just bread, Nutella, jam, butter, and a cup of tea for me and Shane, and Milo for the girls. Alrighty.
So you used up the rice from last night to make the kids' lunch. So I'm gonna make them fried rice. While I'm doing this, I'm cooking the sausages as well. I've done 4 sausages. Bring it to the heat. And I'm gonna put 2 eggs. That. See, guys, nothing goes to waste in this house. Right now I'm making the sauce for the fried rice, so it's soy sauce and sweet chili sauce, and a bit of sugar to mix it in. Ginger and what else? Ginger and garlic. I better get a fork. So guys, I've just finished the food, making the food. Daniela's food. And Dasha's food. Taste it and see what it's like.
Yeah.
They're nice and sweet.
No.
It's yummy. Not on the floor, son.
That's my lunch. They made me noodles and they had fried rice. I'm just sick. Thank you, Shane.
You're welcome.
Hey, what are you eating? I'm super sick. Are you eating noodles?
Yeah, I'm saying like that.
Do you like it?
And yeah, and if you move on my way.
So now I'm gonna get the chips.
just what we had in our last video. Okay, we found the chips. Now we're ready to go. Now we just have to put this ice cream away. And our chicken. Okay, now ready to go. Now ready to start.
Alright guys, the kitchen is reopened. So I got less than an hour before I get ready for work. So today, for dinner, I'm gonna make some chicken strips for the kids and some fries. See, my cooking was once compared to Gordon Ramsay. So stay tuned. I think my oil is nice and warm now. Ah, yeah. I'm gonna put my chicken strips in. The girls are having their dinner. There's Leo sitting behind there, being naughty again.
No!
What are you eating, Leo?
No!
What are you eating? Huh?
You no.
Okay.
Which one? Next time.
It's very nice.
John. And that's the Toa working from home. Get him down now. No food for Leo. Yeah, get him down. Okay, just let him sit there for a little bit.
He's trying to sit on my lap.
Okay, that's dinner.
Big fail. All right, this video I was sitting on a decision of whether I should upload it or not, but because I have to do what I say I'll do and, you know, walk the talk, so I just have to upload it tonight. But last night, day 4, we had chicken curry with rice. And I was talking for a good 5 minutes and showing you guys my dinner, you know, how good Shane was for making dinner. Anyway, that didn't happen. I didn't even record anything. And Dasha, who I sent to stop the recording, didn't even say anything that they were like we didn't even record. All right, that's enough talking. But yeah, we're gonna end the video here, and you know, I swear, I promise I'll do better. I'll do better next time. All right, this is so bad on my part. Rightio.
So it's 5 and I've just finished work. I'm just about to show you guys what the kids are doing outside.